Today we are going to discuss about the top like today's editorial which is given in Hindu paper. The main heading is trouble in Nepal, and the main situation we have to discuss is about whether the India will have to deal with KP oil in Nepal, whether he is outstated or stays on as PM. Yeah, like this topic was about like whether the PM of Nepal would removed or expelled from a particular position. Here the meaning of outstated is to drive out or expel from a particular position or to remove. So here here the topic was whether the KP Oli, like the KP Oli is the PM of Nepal. The India is discussing whether to remove him from the Nepal, like as a post of Prime Minister in the Nepal, or to remain him, or to let him stay in the Nepal as a Prime Minister. So let's go to the topic. The storm raging in Nepal's ruling Nepal Communist Party is again rocking the Khadga Prasad Oli government. Here, the meaning of raging is angry, furious, enraged, violent, and infuriate. So let's again look at the sentence. The storm. The storm means like what we'll say, like a sudden dangerous or like sudden like what we will say like a sudden flush out which will come into our state, like any other state raging, or like the sudden a strong angry like a strong violentness in Nepal's ruling, like in Nepal, like the Communist Party is again drawing the Khadga Prasad Oli government and putting Kathmandu's polity in suspense over the might flow. So here in the Nepal, even like in Nepal, like there was a ruling of a Nepal's Communist Party. In the like even the their like the leader name is Khadga Prasad Oli. Like in that in Nepal, Khadga Prasad Oli government is now going on, and like putting Kathmandu's polity in suspense over the white might follow. Next, a crucial meet to announce an end to differences between the parties' two leaders. Here, the crucial meet to announce and end the difference, like they were to make a serious discussion between any two parties or any two states or any two people. Just to end some differences in the parties. Yeah, right. If we sit along with it together, and if we talk, yeah, some will set right, like some problems will set right. So they were just thinking to end this all differences between two party leaders, that this is Mr. Oli and his rival Pushpa Kamal Dal was postponed on Tuesday. So here, like the meeting must be going, should be they said that like between two leaders, so like there should be a meeting to separate or to end of the all problems. The two leaders name is Mr. Oli, who is the Nepal's Communist Party leader, and the Pushpa Kamal Dahal, who is the member of Prajanda. Like they was postponed, they were postponed on Tuesday. Last week too, the two rival factions decided to put off meeting on standing committee after Prime Minister Oli failed to attend. Yeah, like they stopped. Like we said, right? Like before, we thought to stop the make a meeting to sort out all the problems which will be occur like during some parties or during some politics. So if the two persons said if in a meeting, like all will be set right. So Prasad and Pushpa Kamal Dahal thought to go for a meeting or to go in a meeting to discuss each other to end all the problems, but that meeting was postponed due to the absence of Prime Minister Oli, because he didn't attend that meeting. And the bone of contention which has royal party members. Here the meaning of royal means make someone angry. So like if the prime minister didn't came, or like it will obviously like in an important meeting, the main and the like here the main person is the prime minister Oli, who didn't attend the meeting, like would obviously make angry, right? Would obviously make angry the people who want to attend the meeting, but he didn't attend the meeting, so because of him the whole meeting was postponed. Next, party members leading to move against Mr. Oli point to growing discomfort over his autocratic style. So, like according to the PM style only, right? Like the whole state will be like they'll like so whole state will be controlled. But most of the people doesn't like his style. Like autocratic means like self, like doing like autocratic means like a ruler has an absolute power, like. Like the ruler will have so many powers, right? But if the even though if you had many powers, they should not do like they should not misuse those all powers. So that will be the main point to be noticed. But here he but so many members doesn't like his ruling or his rules. Like they all just want to go against him. I cannot against him, against his rules. Like because Oli always keeps his rules. Like he always do all these things by self. Like he could not even ask the people's decision. And it is clear it is that of NCP chairperson and prime minister, it is clear that there is more complex power game going on. Yeah, like even the chairperson, prime minister, like there was a like even like there will be some relations, right, for like some agreements or settlements between some big people and like these type of prime ministers or like ministers. Yes, so like so between those two, the main game was going on. So all was trying to find out it. And Mr. Dahal faction had which had merged with the Oli-led United Marxist-Leninist in 2018, where his combined won a massive mandate in general election, is also impatient for a chance to rule. So here in 2018, when there was in their party, a man won a massive votes, like in massive votes, and they became rule for that area. And it is like even there is also some like even in that, even though if they won with massive votes, but they were somewhat impatient and they cannot like, and they're also doing the self ruling, which is not that much comfortable for the people. And Mr. Dahal is already unhappy over past power sharing agreements that he believes Mr. Oli Regenda reneged on. Mr. Oli still has residual bitterness over Mr. Dahal's decision to pull out of his previous government in 2016. Like the meaning of reneged is to go back on a promise or contract or break back out. So here, like even the Mr. Dahal has believed Oli so much, but he tried to pull out the Dahal's party, which was in the past party of 2016. Like even so, like Dahal was somewhat disappointed about his behavior, like who tried to who was attacked by Oli to destroy his government. There is also concern over Mr. Oli's head-on coalition with India over the past few weeks, beginning with the constitutional amendment to adopt a disputed map as well as his rather rash language against India. Yes, even Oli also used his rash language against India, like talking about some some illegal words or any others, and talking about the maintenance or talking about the rude words against India. So even those type of words also disappointed so many of the people. So they all were discussing about it, and including a recent. And recently, he also made some controversy about the birthplace of Hindu god Lord Rama. So this all like keeping in the mind, they got all the bad impression on Oli. And Mr. Oli has said that he believes there is a conspiracy against him, and alluded to alleged machinations by the Indian embassy in Kathmandu. Here, the meaning of alluded is to suggest, imply, or mention. So let's again go over the sentence. Mr. Oli has said that he believes there is a conspiracy conspiracy against him. Like he thought that like most of the people want to go against him, and they also want to give him suggestions that like to follow the Indian embassy in Kathmandu. Quite like there is a after this finally there is a considerable disquiet in the party and in the press over the public role played by Chinese ambassador to Nepal in bringing together the warring factions, especially after Mr. Oli's threat to split the NCP and revive the ULM area this month. So he was with also somewhat becoming close to the Chinese ambassadors and bringing them to the India, and like even like he also have a threat to split the, like he also made a threat to split the NCP and revive the UML earlier this month, and like he also bought some borrowing like what will say like some things against India, and many in South Bloc will take heart and may even rejoice over Mr. Oli's troubles given his recent petulant behavior with the Modi government. Yes, like here the Oli like he was somewhat more against over the South Bloc like because he did so much petulant means like a bad tempered or impatient like he made a like he always judges the Modi's government, like he always talks bad about the Modi's rule, and this all made South Bloc more angrier. And here, with neither side willing to schedule the much promised meeting of foreign secretaries to bring to sort out their problems. Even like they also, some of the people also did a meeting with the foreign secretaries to sort this problem with Mr. Ori. And here. Yet it is important to the Modi government and the Indian mission to take a mature stand and play a more constructive role in the current political crisis. So here, all people were requesting Modi government and other governments like to make like some decisions to eradicate these type of things in this India, or like even talking bad about any others. Mr. Oli is outnumbered in the ruling party structure. He has won a mandate, and there is a little doubt that he remains popular in Nepal. So he also won a mandate. Like so many would not believe. Did he got mandate? And most of the people thought that they are more tense that like whether he will become popular in Nepal. In power or out of it, New Delhi will still need to contend with Mr. Oli, whose polarizing politics who impact the country's fragile, ethnic, monsic, if not challenged, defeat and with some delicacy. Even most of the people think that they are requesting Modi government to go against Mr. Oli and his behavior, and the New Delhi must obviously react over his behavior on this government. So this was the main trouble about the PM in the Nepal, who is behaving rude and who is talking against about the government. Thank you.